Manny Pacquiao confirms boxing return and eyes high-profile opponents. Asterisk at 46 years old. Manny Pacquiao has no intention of retiring just yet. After a controversial draw against Mario Barrios, the Filipino legend made it clear, Pac-Man is back and the story isn't over. The majority draw left many questions unanswered, but Pacquiao delivered a strong message. I want more. A potential return to the ring before the end of 2025 is already being discussed, and speculation has started to grow around who his next opponent might be. As for Pacquiao, he also has his own sights on a rematch against Barrios after he felt he did enough to win the belt. While a rematch with Barrios seems likely, Pacquiao's camp is aiming even higher. Recall that Pacquiao recently returned to the ring after a 3-year hiatus and fought Mario Barrios to a draw. The legendary Filipino is now ready to make a statement once again. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.